You know, I think we should do a whole show on just fabrics. You know how many books we have in that library back there? I wanted to see these before we get going. Oh, here's the one. Here it is. This is it. Okay, we got to get this going. All right. Cedric, you kill me. I love you being part of this. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it. All right, are you guys ready? Is everybody ready? Hi, I'm Laura Miniff, and I am so excited to introduce you to my new TV show, Laura Miniff, Lifestyle Designer. You're going to catch us on Roku and YouTube, but what we're really going to do is expose you to the world of design. I want to share with you, where do we find our inspiration? Where do we find our favorite products? I'm going to share with you all of the ways that we, as designers and contractors, put together a program for you that really does bring to life what your expectations are. Things that you never imagined were possible, we're going to show you the tricks and the tips on how to do that. We're also going to introduce you to all of our favorite people that supply these amazing materials. How do we find the right person that actually is going to do the work for us? Where do we begin? We're going to allow you to create an experience of your own. We're going to give you a lot of unique aspects of the design world. Within your budget, I promise you, you're going to have whatever you desire. Come on, let's go have some fun.